I'm Ivan from Chile, South America. I bought a Case IH Windrower to the Empire tractor and I ship it back to Chile.
I'm the son of a third-generation farmer. I've been married 10 years to a farmer's daughter. I'm a God-fearing, hard-working combine driver, hogging up the road on my plower, chug-a-lug-a-lugging 5 miles an hour on my international harvester. 3 miles of cars laying on their horns, falling on deaf ears of corn, lined up behind me like a big parade of late to work, road rage, truck shouting obscene words, flipping me the bird. Well, you may be on a state paid road, but that black top runs through my payload. Trying to do my job, but this year ain't been no bumper crowd. If you don't like the way I'm driving, get back on the interstate. Otherwise, sit tight and be nice and quit your honking at me that way. I'm the son of a third-generation farmer. I've been married 10 years to a farmer's daughter. I got 2 boys in the county 4-H. I'm a lifetime sponsor of the FFA. That's what I make a lot of hay for a little pay. But I'm proud to say I'm a God-fearing, hard-working combine driver, hogging up the road on my plower, chug-a-lug-a-lugging 5 miles an hour on my international harvester. Well, I know you got your own deadlines, but cussing at me won't save you no time, hoss. This big wheel wide load ain't going any faster, so just smile and wave and tip your hat to the man up on the tractor. I'm the son of a third-generation farmer. I've been married 10 years to a farmer's daughter. I got 2 boys in the county 4-H. I'm a lifetime sponsor of the FFA. That's what I make a lot of hay for a little pay. But I'm proud to say I'm a God-fearing, hard-working combine driver, hogging up the road on my plower, chug-a-lug-a-lugging 5 miles an hour on my international harvester. Combine driver, hogging up the road on my plower, chug-a-lug-a-lugging 5 miles an hour on my international harvester. From the fuel that fills your truck to the coffee in your cup, don't thank the corner store or that early morning rush. Thank a farmer. Yeah, I think back to that hayfield filled with girls and 4-wheels, sneaking off with her for that first time. You can thank a farmer. I still believe in amber waves of grain, man on his knees think it's time we all thank a farmer. From the blacktop roads you ran that used to be his land, to big cities and small towns that he built with his two hands, you can thank a farmer.
Empire Tractor, we're here to help you grow. From sun up to sunset, we take pride in what we do. Empire Tractor makes the job easier